Hey there, Amar from How to Web Work here, and I noticed that lots of beginners are intimidated when it comes to OpenAI API keys. I'm going to show you in this video how to get an OpenAI key for free in less than 1 minute. OpenAI keys are required by many cloud applications, so you have to have your own API key to use them. And it doesn't have to be a limitation because lots of those cloud applications that require the OpenAI API key are very useful when it comes to automating your business. And here is an application that is extremely powerful. It is used to generate long-form SEO-friendly content designed for affiliate and digital marketers. This application is called AI Wise Mind, and it helps you create, schedule, and publish rank dominating content on autopilot. So it's extremely powerful for affiliate marketers, and there are lots of options that you can use. Anyways, I will leave a link to this application below this video, but let's go ahead and show you how to create an API key. So the first thing you want to do is head to openai.com and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, use this button to create a brand new account. So when you click login, it will invite you to enter your email address and then your password. Enter the password and click continue. Once inside your OpenAI account, you want to click on API here. And then this is the dashboard. You want to click on your avatar at the right hand side on top, click on it, and then click on View API Keys. So now this is my API key for the application I just mentioned before, and if I want to create a brand new one, I just click here, create a new secret key. And after that you want to name the key because you want to give it at least the name of the application you are going to use. So let's call it, for example, app02. This is the name, but you put the name of the application you are going to use with this and then create the key, and right away you have the key created. It's very important that you copy, it's copied now, and then you store it on a notepad or somewhere along with the name you gave it. So this is the key, and you can do this operation, you can do it as many times as you want and generate as many keys as you want for the different applications that you are using. Now I can click done, and now I have 2 API keys. You can see that they are invisible, the secret keys, and you can actually delete the key that you don't want, but you can always keep the ones that you are actually using. All you have to do then is go back to your back office of the application you are using and paste that secret key that you just generated. And I highly recommend this application for affiliate marketers. You can certainly create long form articles, you can create product reviews, set and forget Amazon reviews, and a lot more. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I will leave a link to everything in the description below. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, and I will see you on the next one.